Thank you. It is my pleasure this afternoon to show you what we accomplish and the value that you get with operating budget portion of this model. The operating budget, as you've already heard, is about $460 million per year, and that accounts for about 23% of the total budget. So what is the value that you get for that operating budget? The operating budget is used to operate and maintain every road on our system. Missourians have come to expect the following services on all of our roadways. I'm going to start with our top 5. These top 5 that I'm showing right now actually account for about half of that total operations budget. So these are the ones that are our primary focus, but in addition to those, this is everything else that we try to accomplish on every road every year. So I want to put a couple of these into perspective for you today. The first one, asphalt pavement repair and patching. We do enough asphalt pavement repair and patching to do a 1-inch overlay on a one lane of roadway all the way from Los Angeles to Washington, D.C. every year. It's about 2,300 lane miles. In addition to that, to get back from Washington, D.C. to Los Angeles, we perform enough pavement sealing to return on that lane of roadway. So again, about 2,300 lanes or miles of pavement that we seal each year. All right, this map, one of our big focuses on that operating budget are those roadways that Michelle showed that were in green that do not get pavement funding out of the STIP. So this is actually about 70% of our in-house pavement work goes to those minor roads in that system. And these are, again, the ones that normally aren't covered in the STIP. So each line on this map, these blue lines represent a pavement project that was completed in 2015. So as you would expect, there's some blank areas in the urban areas because they have very few of those minor roads and most of their pavement work is covered in the STIP. This is our planned pavement plan for 2016. And this continues to grow on a daily basis because we did see routes being added daily because of the mild winter that we had this year. So winter operations, snow and ice removal is another big operations out of that budget. In an average winter, MoDOT employees plow about 6 million miles. And that is the equivalent to go to the moon and back 13 times. Striping, our employees stripe just over 70,000 line miles. This is enough to circle the earth more than twice each year. Roadsides, MoDOT crews mow enough to cover 300,000 football fields every year. That's just over 400,000 acres. Litter removal. We collect enough bags of litter, if you lined them up and put them side by side, it would stretch from Kansas City to St. Louis. Bridge preventive maintenance. MoDOT seals roughly 7 million square feet of bridge deck annually. That is roughly the size of Arrowhead Stadium's parking lot. If you've ever stood there, it's enormous. All right, our operating budget also, we focus on roadway safety. Last year, we completed over 15,000 miles of edge rut repairs. 150,000 square feet of signs were installed, and we responded to over 20,000 incidents ranging from traffic crashes to flooding. This is just what our operation crews do. This does not include our motorist assist. So this is 20,000 incidents that we respond to. There is a tremendous value to Missourians in our ability to respond quickly. We are on call 24/7. And we have the equipment and people ready to go at a moment's notice. With our operating budget, we not only maintain our system, but we operate the system. We responded to over 270,000 customer calls last year. We manage and maintain over 2,500 traffic signals, 250 dynamic message signs, over 600 traffic cameras, and we manage and operate 3 traffic management centers. With the operating budget, we also preserve our system. Last year, we completed over 100,000 linear feet of pipe culvert repairs, 24,000 square yards of concrete pavement repair. We flushed over 7,000 bridges at least once, many of those twice, and we repaired over 90,000 square feet of bridge deck. So what is the value of our operating budget? It is what you get out of our 3,500 plus employees that are in the field every day. It provides value to every Missourian, and it touches every Missourian. We safely get people where they want to go.